Be much better with those bad boys on it. Pireellis. So, definitely the ones that's on it now. They don't look like that. For 2013. I read the manual on this all night. I went right through it. So it's about 100 newton meters for that wheel nut. 100 newton meters for that wheel nut. That's really all I was looking for, right? But you end up doing the rabbit hole. And so this was back in the 1998. This bike was registered. And on the manual it tells you, right, and it said for Canada, so Canada must have been using ethanol in their fuel years ago, so I'll send you a wee picture in a minute, but it said in it, like, absolutely no more than 5% ethanol in this, right, so obviously that's what we run in it anyway. I mean, we've either stuck, if we can't get the E5, if we're in the middle of nowhere and we need to put some E10 in it, then we need to do that, but it's no good for it, man. I read it, the rubbers don't like it, and obviously this is old, right, but if you look here, right, it's all starting to crack, obviously, right, the rubber's starting to crack, right, just ever so slightly starting to perish a wee bit, right, it actually looks like it's maybe starting to go right there where the bolt is as well, and if we look up the back, certainly in the middle too, look a wee bit sweaty, so that'll not make it run right either, so I think we'll change him. So I think that'll be my dad's mission, and you can change these for aluminium ones or something like that. Apparently it's meant to be better. So I was going to whip these off and clean them, but I'm not going to bother. I think I'll wait till I get new ones of these. So I think they're all individually bolted on, looks at it. So all its pipes and that still look good, but I think I've washed this bloody bike many times and I've ridden it. But I would try and keep it clean. There's a mechanical beast. Missed a bit. That's better. Nice and shiny. Splinter. It's meant to be 100 newton meters for that back wheel, but that was only about 47. Let's put top wrench in reverse just to see what it was at. It was very tight. So we shall double check the manual, but I'm sure it said 100 newton meters for the back, 100 newton meters for the front. Right, that's half. Right, that's half. Sprocket's nice and sharp. I don't see any folded over teeth. Could probably do my new sprocket. A couple of them are a bit worn looking, but nothing ridiculous. I'll give all that a good clean. We'll give the wheel a good clean. I've got our spacers in it, so I'll take them out of the wheel so we don't lose them. So I'm not sure, I can't remember if I've done a Bandit one, if we need the disc off it, should see. So I'll put that nut on there and we'll see. It wasn't very tight at all. There's a spacer in there as well, right, so that just pops off. Right, there's a spacer in there too, so make sure you don't lose it if you're doing your rear tyre or your sprocket, whatever. The pads look quite good on it, Speedo drive off, 2 calipers, and then just have to be careful with the mudguard there. So, aye. Get the next one on it. So, she's got 2 new Pirellis. And I'll just had that wee run there, just round the block, just make sure everything's running free and all good in the hood. Seems to be. My dad says, don't go mad for the first 100 miles. Okay, I won't, I promise.